tomorrow. And what you looking at? The fuck are you looking at? Damn, say hey or something. What? Oh, y'all, I did not have to start early today. Goodness, thank you. But I am about to eat some of my leftovers from last night for breakfast. Because baby girl is hungry. I want Starbucks. Some Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo. Yeah, good. Watch, I'll be hungry in the next 2 hours. Well, I'm not even gonna eat all this right now anyway, but do y'all know how to drive with y'all knee? I think my daddy taught me. Busting out this cup plate. Busting. Okay, let me put this up. I'm just in it. And okay, let me put it up. And then still eating it. Okay. Ooh. God diggity, darn. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks. It's not as cold today, but it's cold. I could have literally stayed connected to the trailer that I was connected to yesterday. Gotta stay connected. Ugh. Who's that? Where did he come from? He must not be working today. Anywho. I done lost the trailer. Too busy. Mama. This weight here is so heavy. Oh, it's so heavy. So heavy. Oh, I just shocked myself. just seen. Cause you ain't about to be scaring me. Ain't no way. What, he blending in with the grass? I'm confused. I'm going about my business. Going about my business. Yeah. Cause what? Anyway. Ain't no way. I don't see that person nowhere. Oh no. Oh, that marker's still there. I got to go. Cause there ain't no way. Ain't no way. It just ain't no way. That's crazy. Also, yesterday when I was almost back to the yard, my fuel light came on, and I was already past all of the truck stops. What the? See, that's what I be talking about. I was past all the truck stops, so I was like, you know what? It's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. And what you looking at? What the fuck are you looking at? Damn, say hey or something. What was I saying? Oh yeah, yesterday my fuel light came on, and I was past the truck stops already, and I was almost at the yard. I was like, you know what? It's gonna have to wait till tomorrow, which is right now. So we're here because that light is shining bright like a diamond. Like, baby girl, I'm hungry like you. I said, alright, boo, I got you. I got you, boo, I got you. Oh, this hair is tickling me. I'm so ready to take this shit out. Pull up your pants. I ain't cute. Every time I come to this pilot, it's always some bull. Like, pumps don't ever work. The stuff don't be zero in and out. I'm just like, come on. I got to go. I just want cranberry juice. I got to roll out. That's actually insane.
All right.
Y'all pumps always like this every time I come up here.
It is?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's ridiculous.
I know. I'm sorry. Which one you be going to? Because not all of
I
them.
think 20 to 20 on down. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I was just here yesterday.
Yeah, and they was the 20s. Yeah. You want to use points?
No.
Okay.
And I be forgetting not to go to that side, go to this side, but then every time this side be empty.
Full, yeah. Now 23 is normally always pretty good. So if you gotta do the 20s, go to the very last. Okay.
We can't do all this together.
What's wrong with y'all pumps?
What's wrong with our pumps, Pat? I've been here for 50 million weeks. And it's always the 20s.
It's always, every time I come. Thank you. Y'all think it's ready yet or no?
No, she just got back. So when I said 5 minutes, it's
Okay.
literally 5 minutes.
Okay.
I need you got a black out there.
You can even see it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now if I come back, y'all know it ain't working. This is crazy. Oh, it's raining. The way it smells like his out here, y'all need y'all whoop. It's ridiculous. Let us be pouring all pee out here at the truck stops. I hate it. Do better. Especially right here at the fuel house. Like, y'all pouring your pee right here, like, just, like, ugh. Nasty. Straight nasty, nasty.